Hello students, I am starting our today's topic sign convention by spherical lenses. How we can solve the sign convention, and also I will take the topic length formula and magnification. Now let us start this topic. Sign convention length formula. What is length formula? Length formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. What is v, what is u, and what is f here? F is the focal length. V is the image distance and u is the object distance. We have to calculate these distances from the lengths. Here another formula of magnification is height of image upon height of object, that is equal to v upon u. How we will calculate? By using sign conventions for spherical lenses. For example, here is the lens. The object placed this side on left hand side, it is negative, just like x axis. X is positive for right hand side and negative for left hand side. So from left hand side of the lens, everything on the x axis is negative and everything on the right hand side is positive. We always placed our object this side. It means the position of the object is always negative. It means u is always negative for both the lenses. V, image can be formed on left hand side and sometime image is formed on right hand side. So image V, distance of image from the lens, can be positive or negative. Focal length, it is fixed. Focal length, this is a convex lens. Focal length is positive for convex lens and focal length is negative for concave lens. It is fixed. Sign convention said that u is always negative for both the lenses. V can be positive or negative, and focal length is positive for convex lens and negative for concave lens. Is it okay to you? Now, height of the object. Height of the object, we place the object always erect, just like this. Our object is placed like this. The object, height of the object is placed on y-axis. Height of the object and height of the image. It can be smaller or larger than the object. Magnification is the ratio of height of image upon height of the object, and it has no unit because both are having meter or centimeter, they cancel with each other. Let us understand this topic with the help of solving these numericals. I am giving you a numerical that if magnification of a lens is, if magnification of a lens is 0.60 plus, what is the nature of the lens and nature of the image? This is question for you. how will you understand what is the nature of the lens and nature of the image? Because it is positive, it means image is virtual. If negative sign in magnification, it means image is real. Here, because it is positive, it is a virtual erect image. And what is the nature of the lens? Height of the image is less than 1. 0.6 is less than 1. Smaller than the object. If it is smaller than the object, it is concave lens. When magnification is 1, it means size of the object and size of the image are equal. If magnification is less, it means the size of the image is less than the object. If more, then size of the image is more than size of the object. This is the conclusion. If the question is like this, magnification of the lens is minus 0.75, then how will you calculate? Then nature of the image negative, it means it will be a real and inverted image. And nature of the lens, because it is forming real and inverted image, concave lens can't form real inverted image, so answer will be, nature of the lens will be convex lens. Okay. Now next I am taking one more question for you. An object is placed at the distance of 50 centimeter from the concave lens. From a concave lens whose focal length is 20 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. This is the question. Object is placed at the distance of 50 centimeter from the concave lens whose focal length is 20 centimeter given to you. Find nature and position of image. What is given to us and what is we have to calculate? First, object is placed at the distance 50 centimeter, means object distance is 50 centimeter. It is a concave lens and its focal length is 20 centimeter here, and we have to find out V. Apply the sign convection. Because it is a concave lens, so focal length will be negative and U is always negative. Apply the lens formula. If we